Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 GMC Terrain SLT all-wheel drive, stock number X413XX. Only 4,000 miles on this Terrain. It's a one owner, clean auto check history report, somewhat white in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily with the pull of a handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, height adjustable power liftgate, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, automatic push button transmission, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, heated seats and all-wheel drive lock. Lots of storage space in the armrest and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Terrain is a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average 28 on the highway. And again, only 4,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.